Okay, it's Friday the 10th of January. I've been advised to take video recordings of what's happening to document what's happening and the fear that I am in. Right now, we have got somebody knocking at the door. In normal circumstances, that would be something, people not to worry about. But in these circumstances, it's something that makes me and my family feel very frightened. We are in Croatia. My children and I have been trapped in Croatia for 6.5 years after they were abducted from the UK by their father. In everything that's happened, if anybody would care to take a look at our legal documents, it would be evident that nothing that has happened in the courts is legal. It's a clear case of corruption and abuse of power at the expense of innocent young children and the mother who's just trying to protect them and do her very best to raise them to do a good job to provide for them. So through 6.5 years in the courts in Croatia, I have been unable to protect the rights and the welfare and safety of my children and myself. And now I'm taking a stand. I am being asked to put my children into a situation where they feel unhappy, where they're crying, where they're complaining about stomach pains, about having bad dreams. And they're begging me not to force them back into that situation. And I, as their mother, I've got a duty to those children. I've got a duty to protect their safety and welfare and health in all aspects. And if a bunch of corrupt officials are going to break the law and lie and do all sorts of completely stupid things, and in order to force me to harm my children, to harm their emotional and ultimately physical health, then I'm going to take a stand and say I am not doing it. I'm frightened. I'm going to put this video out in the public domain so that people can see what's going on. But if people are coming and knocking on my door, if they do not know what domestic abuse is, what child abduction is, if they don't understand the law and they're not prepared to protect us, my view is that I have absolutely no duty to comply with them, to let them into my home, to have anything to do with them. I am demanding that somebody comes and sorts this out. You cannot just get away with doing what you want because you have certain friends in politics and the justice system. You cannot take advantage of corruption and abuse of power to harm children. No. End of story. Enough.